With the rising demand for EVs all around the globe, China remains the largest EV market, contributing to nearly 50% of total EV sales in the world. Several EV startups like Xpeng are cashing in on this demand and doing quite a good job with almost 25,000 EV sales in 2021, which is a 427% growth year over year. Is Xpeng a place to invest your money? What are their plans ahead? Are they going to launch a helicopter? Let's find out. Welcome to another video by New Vehicle Mania. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and punch the notification bell to receive the latest updates on news in the market. Don't forget to like the video and comment down below so you might be featured in our next video. In today's video, we will talk about Xpeng and how they have performed in the stock market since it entered the US stock market in August 2020. Then, we will talk about the financial records of the company, and then we will talk about the plans of the company, including the biggest catalysts. As usual, timestamps are provided in the description. Feel free to use them to your advantage. Short Xpeng recap. Xpeng is a trending EV manufacturer based in Guangzhou, China. The company was co-founded by Henrik Xia, He Tao, and former Alibaba executive Xpeng in 2014. Initial backers include the founder of Xiaomi, Lei Jun, and prominent Chinese and investors like Alibaba, Foxconn, and IDG Capital. Xpeng's first model, the Xpeng G3, was launched in December 2018, and the second model, P7, started deliveries to customers in June 2020. In May 2019, Xpeng raised $400 million in a fundraising round and another $400 million from a group of investors, including Alibaba, Qatar Investment Authority, and Abu Dhabi's Sovereign Wealth Fund. In August 2020, Xpeng raised $1.5 billion with an IPO in the New York Stock Exchange. Its shares climbed up more than 40% on the first day of trading. Currently, 23% of Xpeng's shares are owned by Xpeng, and Alibaba owns 12% of shares. Xpeng entered the New York Stock Exchange on August 27, 2020 under the ticker symbol XPEV, and the stock price began to rise. On November 23, XPEV hit its highest value of $72.17. However, since then, XPEV is experiencing a downtrend, especially from mid-January 2021. This made the investors question whether XPEV is worth buying. Since the middle of May 2021, XPEV value began to rise, and as of June 18, 2021, XPEV was at $45.23. Xpeng's financial record. During the first quarter of 2021, Xpeng generated total revenue of $450 million, which is a 616% increase year over year and 3.5% increase compared to the fourth quarter of 2020. Xpeng managed to report a gross margin of 11.2% compared to a negative 4.8% for the same period of 2020. Vehicle deliveries during Q1 2021 reached 13,340, which is a 487.4% growth compared to Q1 2020. Among the P7 deliveries during Q1 of 2021, 97% of vehicles support XPilot 2.5 or 3.0, Xpeng's navigation-guided pilot highway solution. As of March 31, 2021, Xpeng's sales and service network consists of 178 service centers, 61 service centers, and 172 supercharging stations. Xpeng delivered 5,686 vehicles in May 2021, which is a 483% increase year over year. 3,797 P7s were delivered in May 2021, which is a record-high monthly delivery. This is impressive, as they managed to pull this off during a massive chip shortage. With these numbers, Xpeng seems to be in a pretty good spot. Biggest catalyst. In April 2021, Xpeng launched their new car, the P5, which will be an affordable, family-oriented sedan with LiDAR sensors and XPilot support. This smaller, practical, and affordable sedan is a nice addition to their lineup, consisting of the G3, a midsize SUV, and the P7, a sports sedan. P5 is now open for reservation, and the deliveries will start in the fourth quarter of 2021. Simultaneously, Xpeng is launching XPilot 3.5, which will support navigation-guided piloting for urban driving as well. With all this, and with global chip shortage coming to an end, experts predict that vehicle deliveries of Xpeng will soon exceed 6,000 per month and more. Furthermore, Xpeng is planning on launching its latest innovation, the Voyager X2. Voyager X2 is a personal manned flying vehicle by the Xpeng high-tech brand. Xpeng chairman and CEO Xpeng said that the flying car will launch at the end of 2021 and will be available for test rides. He further mentioned that Xpeng will continue to present more innovative products which are beyond everyone's imaginations. Voyager X2 is designed as a low-altitude flying vehicle that can be used for scenarios like personal aerial flights, emergency rescue, and aerial sightseeing. Xpeng says that they will continue to explore new possibilities of mobility and expand the range of transportation possibilities in multiple dimensions. Next to the X2, Tesla recently has been fined over battery issues in Norway. Tesla got into legal trouble and had been asked to pay $16,000 as a fine to the affected owners. This included the Model X and Model S, which have been discontinued since 2016. A software update in 2019 led to a decrease in range from 19 to 48 kilometers. Tesla owners experienced slow charging after this update and started filing lawsuits in different markets. One was filed in Norway with 30 owners backing the case. To put things in contrast, there could have been more than 10,000 owners in Norway only who may or may not have been affected by this update. The general interest in EVs is growing rapidly in Norway, which currently has the highest EV penetration in the world. This could increase the potential for strong sales and high demand for Xpeng. They already have a strong presence in Norway and have shipped 300 vehicles. Xpeng might just be the premium car with advanced technologies offered at attractive price points people are currently looking for. The conclusion. So, Xpeng is currently in a pretty solid spot judging by its financial records and pretty interesting and innovative plans. Xpeng's penetration in the rapidly growing EV market in China and Europe will be to their advantage. Their pursuit for innovative modes of transport will certainly attract more attention not only in China, but the entire world. Given all these facts, what will be your choice? Will you invest in XPEV or not? We keep track of the comments and answers on polls, so feel free to suggest topics at any given moment. Let us know your thoughts. Comment down below and the best comments will be featured in the next video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.